Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's maths revision lesson. Okay, so you will just need a piece of paper and a pencil. All right, let's get started. Okay, the whole number that we can see in the 10 frame is 10. Well done, good subitizing. So we have got 10 red circles in the 10 frame. How many more do we need to make 10? That's right, we need no more, 0. So our number sentence is 10 add 0 makes 10. And that's our first number bond. 10 add 0 makes 10. Let's have a look at this one now. What part is red and what part is blue? That's right, 9 are red and 1 is blue. So our number bond here is 9 add 1 makes 10. Next one, there's two parts. There's a part that's red and a part that's blue. How many are red? That's right, 8. How many are blue? 2. How many altogether? 10. And we can show that in a part-part whole model. Now what I want you to do now is just pause for a minute and have a think about what's happening to these numbers. What's happening to the part that's red and what's happening to the part that's blue? Do you notice anything? Okay, let's keep going and we're going to discuss this at the end. Now how many are red? That's right. There was 8 that were red before and now there's 7. So a part that's 7 and how many are blue? 3. Good. And how many altogether? 10. So our number bond is 7 add 3 makes 10. Okay, now how many are red? We started off with 10 that were red, then 9 that were red, then 8, 7, now there are 6 that are red, and how many are blue? 4, that's right. 6 and 4, how many altogether? 10, excellent. So our part whole is 6 and 4 makes 10. And last one, how many are red now? 5. And how many are blue? 5. Oh, this is a double, 2 parts that are equal. So our number bond is 5 and 5 is 10. Who noticed a pattern? What did you notice with the numbers with the 2 parts? That's right, each slide, the red part became less, was 1 less, and the blue part, we added 1 more, so they were changing. Okay, what you can do now is pause this video and have a go at writing all the missing numbers and write the number sentence to these number bonds. And look for patterns. So what do you notice? What is the same about this number sentence? And what's the same about this? What's similar about the two? And then what's different? So for example, this says 10 add 0 equals 10. This says 0 add something equals 10. What's the same is that the whole is the same. The whole number's 10. The parts are the same, but what's different? That's right, the numbers are reversed. So instead of 10 add 0, this is 0 add 10. So you can see now, because you're really good at noticing patterns in numbers, that if you know 9 add 1 is 10, then you must know 1 add something is 10. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at completing these, and you can use these number sentences to help you. And once you're finished, press play and we're going to move on to number bonds to 20. Okay, so we can actually use our knowledge of number bonds to 10 to help us with number bonds to 20. So now I have two 10 frames. We know that when the 10 frame is full, there is 10. Well done. We don't need to count, we can subitize. And there's 10 here. So altogether, how many are there? Well done, there's 20 altogether. So my number sentence is 10 add 10 is 20. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at this one. I have got, how many are red? Let's work this out. I know there's 10 here. And I'm pretty sure that you're good at subitizing now. I think you know that there's 9 here because 1 less than 10 is 9. And you know that if the whole 10 frame isn't full, if there's 1 missing, there must be 9. So let's think. I've got 10 and I've got 9 more. 10 add 9, what's that? Well done, 19. So I've got 19 that are red, and how many that are blue? 1. Well done. So 19 add 1 equals 20. Wait a minute. That reminds me of another number bond that I know. Yes, that's right. 1 add 9. So if you know that 1 add 9 is 10, then 19 add 1 is 20. Very good. Who can see what's the same and what's different? Okay, let's have a look at this number bond. We need to work out how many are red and how many are blue. So, we know on the top 10 frame, there are 10 that are red. We can subitize. We don't need to count. We know that when the 10 frame's full, there's 10. Let's work out how many red circles are on the bottom 10 frame. I know that when the 10 frame's full, there's 10. But there's 2 that are blue, so if I take away the 2 blue, 10 take away 2 is, well done, 8. Ooh, sorry, that's not a very good 8. My mouse went crazy. So 10 red at the top, 8 blue down the bottom, altogether 10 add 8 is, yes, well done, 18. So I've got 18 red plus how many are blue? 2, well done. And how many altogether? 20. All right, how many are on this 10 frame? 10, fantastic. How many red ones are on this 10 frame? 7, well done. You might have been able to see 5 at the top and 2 red down the bottom, and you knew that there were 7 altogether. So what's 10 add 7? 17, very good. So I've got 17 that are red, and how many are blue? Well done, 3. So 17 add 3 equals 20. And you can see here that yesterday's lesson on subitizing has really helped you to add numbers together today. All right, how many are in this top 10 frame? Fantastic, 10. How many red ones are in this 10 frame? Well done, 6. You might have been able to see 5 at the top and 1 red down the bottom. So 10 add 6. How many red do I have altogether? Well done, 16. You know your teen numbers. So 16 are red. How many are blue? 4. Well done. How many are all together? 20. So 16 add 4 is 20. Fantastic. And which number bond does this remind you of? Well done. 4 add 6 equals 10, or 6 add 4. So if you know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, that's going to help you to know that 16 add 4 equals 20. Okay, last one. How many are red? 10 at the top. And how many are red here? 5. Good subitizing. Let's add them together to find out how many are red. 10 and 5? 15. Well done. 15 are red. How many are blue? Well done. 5. How many are all together? 20. What number bond does this remind you of? 15 add 5 equals 20. Yeah, well done. 5 add 5 equals 10. So if you know that 5 add 5 equals 10, that's going to help you to know 15 add 5 makes 20. Okay, so what we're looking at today is using patterns in numbers to help us find answers. So if you know 9 add 1 equals 10, then you're going to know 19 add 1 equals 20. Well done. So you can pause the video here and have a go at writing these number sentences out and filling in the missing numbers. Fantastic work today, Year 1. We're really, really proud of you. Keep up the great work.